HB Hunte Engineering started with a small team as a naval design and engineering service provider for new buildings, conversions, and repairs, acting mainly for clients in Germany and the Netherlands. In 2002, HB Hunte began to design complete new buildings for Hartmann Reederei, the beginning of a still continuing friendly cooperation. 3 conventional but already very efficient ship series with capacities of 5,000, 6,500, and 8,600 cubic meters LEG LPG carriers were born. And from 2002 to 2013 in total, 16 new buildings were delivered. In 2014, HB Hunte developed, in cooperation with Hartmann's new building team, a unique and groundbreaking 36,000 cubic meters ethane carrier, which was at that time the largest worldwide. It was the world's first gas carrier with bridge and accommodation forward, and HB Hunte Sveltebo, equipped with the world's first dual-fuel main engines burning ethane as fuel, and the world's first star tri-lobe tanks for maximized cargo capacity. In 2020, HB Hunte created also an LPG-fueled 40,000 cubic meters LPG ammonia carrier on this successful design base. With the Sveltebo design concept, a new era of efficient and environmental-friendly gas carriers started for Hartmann Reederei, and now was also used for smaller ships like an LPG-fueled 5,000 cubic meters LPG carrier in 2019, an LNG-fueled 7,200 cubic meters LEG carrier in 2021, and an LPG-fueled 25,000 cubic meters LPG ammonia carrier, which is just in design process and will be delivered in 2027. In 2014, HB Hunte started also the engineering process for the world's largest semi-refrigerated ethane carrier with a cargo carrying capacity of 85,000 cubic meters, equipped with dual-fuel main engines burning ethane as fuel. The star tri-lobe tanks were used again to max the cargo capacity out. One tank unit has a size of 23,200 cubic meters and is the largest Type C pressure tank built in the world. In 2021, HB Hunte was appointed to design a cutting-edge 3,500 TEU LNG-fueled container ship with a very high reefer capacity of 1,040 feet units. The custom-made design for Seaboard Marine provides a high endurance of 9,800 nautical miles at 19.5 knots. A vertical bilobe LNG tank grants sufficient capacity. The elliptically formed front superstructure leads to optimized properties and performance. In 2022, we designed a further LNG-fueled container ship for Seaboard with a capacity of 1,400 TEU. Again, a high endurance is paired with a high reefer capacity. For this design, an inline tri-lobe LNG tank was developed and designed by us. The building process of this vessel just began. All vessels will be managed by the Hartmann Reederei. From 2001 until today, HB Hunte Engineering has designed 12 different ship series for Reederei Hartmann, of which 44 new buildings have been ordered. HB Hunte Engineering is deeply grateful for the trust and loyal friendship of the Reederei Hartmann. But also, other shipyards and owners contracted HB Hunte for outstanding new building designs. In 2008, a combined ro-ro, dock, and heavy lift vessel for ship owner Heron and Partner was designed. In 2015, we were contracted to optimize an initial dual-fuel small-scale LNG carrier design from Meyer Werft. Our engineers significantly optimized the ship arrangement, hull lines, and propulsion system. Moreover, the cargo tank design, class, and detail engineering of the complete cargo hold area, including the gas plant interfaces, were supplied. 2010 to 2011, HB Hunte performed in cooperation with Marigraf the complete basic design and detail engineering for the new building of the sail training bark Alexander von Humbolt II. Great teamwork and the passion for tall ships and engineering was the formula for success for this fascinating ship. But that's not all. Another field of activity is small vessel designs. In 2020, HB Hunte assists Tamsen Shipyard with the basic design and detail engineering for their 23-meter patrol boat for German customs. In 2023, our design experts were consulting imports with a sounding vessel design. And currently, our company is happy to consult also the DGZRS on their rescue fleet. HB Hunte Engineering has also proven their knowledge and productive efficiency for several complex ship conversions. In 2007, Beluga intonation and Beluga indication were extended by 32 meters and refitted with 3 NMF heavy lift cranes according to our engineering documents within only 8 weeks at the MWB shipyard in Bremerhaven. In 2008, we received a contract from NSW for the transformation of a deck barge built in China into a cable layer. The conversion was executed at BVT Bremerhaven, a company belonging to the Runner Group. The Nostag 10 was ready for her first cable layer job in 2009 to lay Germany's longest sea cable from St. Peter-Ording to Helgoland. From 2009 until 2017, our engineers were responsible for all cable lay setups and related conversions. In 2017, the Nostag was sold to Asia. 2017-2018, the Ropax ferry Tinkerbell, former Peter Pan, was extended by 30 meters with a Z-cut. An additional aft cargo deck was installed, and a fuel-saving bulbous bow was mounted at the same time. After conversion, the cargo capacity increased by 25% to around 3,000 loading meters. We provided the complete workshop drawings for naval and mechanical engineering for the conversion shipyard MWB AG. Moreover, all local strength calculations for the complex separation, support, and insertion of the extension in the Z-cut area were carried out. These are only 3 of many conversions and repair jobs our experienced team has performed during the last 25 years. And again, ahead of time, as a forerunner, we involve 3D scanning in our retrofit projects for more than 10 years already. The 3D scan technology allows capturing of large and small structures in a precise way, even under difficult conditions, which leads to a reduction of time, higher accuracy, and completeness compared to manual measurements. Once we are having the 3D scanner-generated point cloud in-house, we can start in our digital shipyard to plan retrofits and conversions in a very detailed way and always based on the captured as-built condition. This allows pre-manufacturing of piping and structures in a maximum possible extent and forms the base for turnkey offers from shipyards on a worldwide base. The resulting savings of installation time and costs offer our customers a solid basis for planning of time and budget. Amongst other applications, 79 ships were successfully retrofitted with a ballast water treatment system based on our extensive and detailed refit plannings. Our 3D scan engineers have traveled countries all over the world, leaving no continent unvisited, always ready to go where we are needed. As a vital feature of liquefied gas carriers and gas-fueled ships, gas tank technology and engineering has been one of HB Hunte's key disciplines ever since. Regardless of the cargo or fuel type, we have always tried to push the boundaries of what is state-of-the-art and was done before. Our ship designs have pushed the size limit of pressure tanks on more than one occasion, and our current design projects are likely to top that again. The BiNUD LNG fuel tank developed in 2018 has taken yet a different approach to increase capacity. It combined the standard bilobe pressure vessel design with an innovative shape optimization to maximize the fuel capacity within the given space on board, a design that showed to work well for LNG fuel applications for conversions with tank hold spaces. Recently, a project for a German offshore salvage vessel had special requirements for an LNG gas tank system that guarantees a stable fuel supply, especially in heavy sea states. HB Hunte's design of a vertical tank met those needs and prevailed in the different design proposals. The first vessel is currently in commissioning and can soon prove its seaworthiness. With our experienced team, our in-house capabilities, and of course our many longtime partners, HB Hunte Engineering provided design services for a variety of cargo and fuel gas tanks, ranging from design concept to classification drawings and complete workshop documentation. In addition, the temperature distribution, the interaction between tank and ship, as well as vibration analyses, were carried out several times to ensure adequate safety of the tank system and durable products. Over the past 25 years, we have also offered our customers a wide range of consulting and engineering services for cargo handling and fuel gas supply systems. Starting already with the very first gas carrier new building project, we provided in close collaboration with our project partners P&IDs and the entire 3D pipe engineering, including pipe isometrics for all gas systems installed on board. Our track records include services for fully pressurized LPG, semi-refrigerated LPG and ethylene carriers, and also small-scale LNG carriers. For various fuel gas supply systems, we provided concepts, feasibility studies, full pipe engineering, and complete fuel gas skids, along with the necessary steel strength and pipe stress analyses. On demand, we delivered isometrics and also workshop documentation for related steel structures and equipments. Last but not least, to round off our portfolio, we would like to introduce HB Hunte E-Tech, our electrical department with a small but powerful electric service team, focusing on building, marine, and industrial technologies. Onshore, our team is advancing the energy transition with great commitment by installing photovoltaic plants, energy storage systems, charging stations, smart control systems, and all other installations required. Offshore, they provide services for the installation of electrical systems for any kind of moving and fixed ship's equipment, like rudders, ramps, shell doors, hatch covers, anchor poles, and winches.